My friend, today we have a speaking test. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. What is your name? My
name is Sophia.
Good. How old are you? I'm 4 and 5 and 6. How old are you? I'm 5. How are you today? I'm
Happy.
good. What animal is it?
Dog.
It's a dog.
Dog.
A dog says,
Oh,
good. What animal is it?
cow.
Okay. A cow says,
Moo.
good. What animal is it?
Pig.
It's a pig. A pig says,
Oink.
oink. What animal is it?
A cat.
Good. A cat says,
Meow.
good. What animal is it? It's a duck.
Duck.
Okay. What color is the baby duck?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. What animal is it?
Cow.
It's a horse. What color is the horse?
Brown.
Brown. Good. What animal is it? It's a sheep. What color is the sheep? What? It's what? White. Okay. Now, what animal is it? It's a
Hen.
good. What animal is it?
Goat.
Goat. What animal is it?
Sugar.
It's a rooster. Good job. What do you see?
Cow.
I see.
Cow.
What do you see? I see.
Dog.
I see horse. Good job. What do you see?
I see duck.
Good. What do you see?
Pig.
Good. What do you see?
I see chick.
Good job. What do you see?
I see whale.
I see a whale. Very good. What letter is this? L. L.
L.
What letter is this? A. B. What letter is this? S. What letter is this? R. Good job. High five. Let's say goodbye, teacher.